Do you want to structure your learning better and prompt your learners to finish their courses before a specific time? Watch this video on course expiration to find out. To start, choose a course that you've created from the Learning module. Then navigate to the Settings tab. Go to the expiration time setting and click the Expand button. The default option, which is Never Expires, ensures that courses remain active forever. The Specified Date option ensures that the course expires for all learners on the same date. Select the date and then fix a time for course expiry. Click the Set button to apply the expiration time for all. The last option, based on enrollment, is a dynamic option where the course will expire depending on the enrollment date of each learner. Click the option and enter the number of days after which the course should expire for every learner. You have now learned how to set different kinds of expiration times within Zoho Learn. Set expiration time and restrict access to courses efficiently. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.